Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know the setting is completely different and I haven't made a video in a hot minute, but it's because I just got a new apartment. So I've been really busy setting that all up, and I still don't have furniture out here on my deck. And also there's like a swarm of bees out here. It's actually terrifying, but yeah, the lighting's really good out here. And so yeah, I'm in a beach chair right now, so it's kind of like a weird angle, but I thought I would make a quick video for you guys, just an everyday, like my everyday makeup routine right now for the spring. So yeah, let's just jump right on into it. So I've already washed my face. I applied my niacinamide serum, like by The Ordinary, and then I also applied the Pore Professional Moisturizer by Benefit. So that's like what's on my face right now. First thing I'm going to take is my e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation, and I haven't used this in a hot minute. I feel like this is, okay, thank God that didn't hit my outfit. Ooh, okay. So, literally just apply it. Oh wait, I forgot my brushes, did I? I don't know. Okay. I'm just going to apply this with my fingers. Sometimes I'll use like a foundation brush, but I mainly just put it straight on, like so. Just like that. And I just love this because it has like all the shimmer in it, and like it's really super glowy. And I just got back from Tampa, so I am like, but we only went to the beach like once because we mainly went out to eat and like shopping and stuff. And it is still springtime, so like the beach wasn't super hot, so I didn't get too much sun, honestly, so I'm not really that tan, but I still have a little bit of like color to me, and I did put on self tanner like a week ago. So next, what I'm going to take is my e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is in Fair Beige. I don't know if this is Halo Glow. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer. And I just put a little bit on like right here and on the edge of my, like on the end right there, because I don't like to put it right under my bag, because apparently that's like where the makeup's going to crease a lot more. And I'll just kind of start blending it with my ring finger. And I'll like blend it out a little bit, and then I'll just kind of like leave it there just so it can like dry up a little bit, so then it becomes like easier to blend and you get more coverage that way. So I'm trying to hurry before my storage runs out again. I'm telling you guys, it is insane. And now that I have to pay rent, it's like I have no extra money to spend on like a camera and stuff, so, but I'm just gonna have to fork up the money, I guess. I don't know, but anyways, this concealer is really nice. It really brightens up everything. This is just kind of like my everyday look that I do super quick. And honestly, let me go get my foundation brush real quick. Okay, I could not find my brush, so I just blended it out with my fingers. But next, I'm going to take my little Real Techniques. This is what I use for my contour. It's like a little dome brush. You could also use it for, this isn't really dome, it's more just like a compacted brush. You could also use it for foundation, but I just like it for my contour. And I take my Sculpted Tape Shape Contour Cream by Tarte. I really like this one, and I believe I have it in Cool Bronze. And a little goes a long way, so I just do like a little dot up on the forehead as well. A little on the tip of the nose and under, yeah. Then I just blend it out. And I always try to like keep it on my actual cheekbone. As you can see, I probably got too much, but it's all good. We're gonna blend like crazy, so gotta scope on that jawline, girl. Okay, so we finally got it blended, and I just did a little bit of bronzer. I'm just doing a little bit of bronzer on the tip of my nose now because I feel like that's all I really need to put my contour on my nose. And then I go in with my tinted blush in the color Magnetic. It is super pretty, and I just use this little, wait, no, not this one. It is this brush that I use by Real Techniques. It's like a little concealer brush almost, but I like to use it for my blush. And I just go on like the highest points. I notice with makeup now that blush is very much in, especially putting it like very close to your waterline, like very close to your, well, your under eyes, I guess, is the very in look now, bringing it very high up, which I think is cute, but you know, I've always just kind of done that. But yes, and then I just put it on my chin, top of the forehead, tip of the nose, you know. Okay, highlighter. This one is the Hue Glow. It's the highlighter drops, and I just take a little bit of this on like my ring finger because a little goes a long way. So I just take a little bit and I put it on the highest points of my face, or I guess where the light is gonna naturally hit my face. I'm literally in like a swarm of bees right now. It's kind of crazy. I'm gonna have to get an exterminator, but luckily I'm not really scared of bees. My sister is terrified of them, and all of my friends are, but I could really care less, so. Okay, so next I take my brow pencil by Benefit. And this is the mini one, so it doesn't have the spoolie on the end, which kind of sucks, but. And I'm in the color 4.5. I just do like little strokes.
Nothing crazy.
My camera is my mirror, so I don't know how it's turning out, but I should have like a little, oh, I did have a little brush to blend it. Okay, so we did the brows. Sorry if the camera is like looks really weird. I'm having to go from my regular camera to my Snap and so forth, so anyways, I don't have my little spoolie brush out here, so I'm just gonna like blend it with my ring finger, but you get the idea, right? Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. This eyebrow always gonna raise higher than this one. Oh wait, what is this? Okay, whatever. It's just an everyday look, okay? The next, I'm gonna take my little Kissio lip plumper oil. I got this off of Amazon Prime. And I kind of do this before I do the rest of my lip stuff, just so that way it has time to like plump. I'm not gonna really do any eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take like whatever is left over on my little eyeshadow brush, which probably has some bronzer on it, and just kind of go in on the contour of my eye right there. And I'm going to go in with, I'm gonna use two different mascaras. They're both mini. I'm gonna use the Roller Lash by Benefit first, because it has a curved wand right here, and I use the curved part first on my lashes. Because I noticed like I have decently long lashes, they just tend to go down. And this mascara, I like that. This one does kind of what's the word, smudge a little bit though throughout the day, I do notice, but it's okay because we're gonna let it dry and then put this other mascara on top of it.
box because it curves so it fits with the crease like under your eye perfectly.
Then we're gonna go in with the Idol Flutter Extension by Lancome. This is the one Olivia Rodrigo. Okay, y'all, so I just applied the Idol Flutter Extension Mascara by Lancome. And look at my eyelashes. Oh, I don't know what that is. Where's that? Oh, that's mascara. Okay. But like literally look at my lashes. I never do like the bottom anymore because it always just smudges. But anyways, next I'm going to take my little Penitent and I am going to use this on my lips. I like this because it gives like a natural like smudgy tint to the lips. And I will say it does kind of dry out the lids a lot. So definitely put on like some sort of chapstick after you use it, but see, I like the color. It's not too bright. I feel like it's like the perfect like pinky color, especially for spring. And then next I'm going to use my All Nighter Urban Decay spray, my watermelon. Spray. It's very refreshing and it smells like watermelon too. I love this spray. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. This will literally make your skin look so dewy and hydrated. Oh my gosh, okay. So that is it. That is my everyday makeup routine for springtime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. I love you.